Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your PlayStation 5. So if you are having some sort of like critical error, or maybe you're going to be selling your PlayStation 5, you want to factory reset it. So let's go to settings right here. Then this option will be under system. Then system software, go to the right, scroll on down, and go to reset options. Now we can go to reset your console. If we select this, it'll say all users and all data will be deleted. Console sharing and offline play will be disabled for all users on this PS5. So then we can go to reset right here. And this will take maybe like 10 to 15 minutes to reset everything as it's deleting everything on the PlayStation 5. And then you'll have to sign in with a new user. So you'll have to have your email address and password available too. So if you are getting a critical error, go ahead and try that. Otherwise, you can go to this restore default settings first. Type in the passcode right here. And that will be 0000 by default if you never change this. And this will restore the default values for the following settings. So if you are having an issue with your network, well, you could try just doing this instead of resetting your entire PS5. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.